I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PyCharm on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there PyCharm. Then go on this jetpens.com site. Then after new page that's open there, here you can see PyCharm. Let's click on this drop down of this download button. Click on this .gj Linux file. So here, thank you for downloading. So PyCharm is currently downloading. The total size 1.1 GB. Now if I open this place, so terminal. So here, terminal. And now if I write this place Python 3 version. So you can see 3.14.4 that already installed. If I write there Python 3, then you can come inside the Python console. So Python must be installed in your system. Then you can use this PyCharm inside your Ubuntu operating system. So file is now currently downloading. Here, file, PyCharm file that's downloaded. Click on this show in folder. So this here, PyCharm. So first removing this and right click on this PyCharm, then click on this extract. So we need to extract the files. Here you can see preparing to extract this PyCharm. So this here extracting PyCharm.gz file. Total size 1.2 GB. So this is now currently extracting. File that extracted here, you can get this PyCharm 2026.11. Double click, then go on this bin, then here you can get this PyCharm. So you need to click on this icon, PyCharm, and so this here that's come. So if you want, then you can import this from IntelliJ IDE. So I'm going to do the escape. And this here, welcome to PyCharm. So you can get your Netscape Notebook Open 5 plugins. So this you can do here by using this PyCharm. So this place I'm going to get here, click on new project. So new, then clicking on this project. And here 3.14 that's automatically taken. This is Python project. Click on this create. So this here project is now creating. This I'm going to close this one. And this here main.py, currently this is loading, and here you can see analyzing the project. So two processes going on. With the help of this code you can print their PyCharm. So let's click on this create button. So hi PyCharm, that's the display. Thereafter let's include something control S to save. Now click on this run again. Hi PyCharm this is display. So this is how we can do the installation of this PyCharm on this Ubuntu operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.